The progress of any country depends on the workers of that country. Labor Day is meant to honor and celebrate the importance of workers and their contribution to the nation and society. Good morning, everyone. To recognize and appreciate the hard work done by all the workers, the students of class 2B are going to present an assembly on dignity of Labor Day.
भूमि को सींचा, वो भारत माँ का बेटा था। वह किसी का गुलाम नहीं है, अपने दम पर जीता है। सफलता का एक कण ही सही, लेकिन है अनमोल जो श्रमिक कहलाता है।
Good morning to one and all present here. Today we gathered here to mark the esteemed occasion of Labour's Day, and our class 2B considers it a privilege to present an assembly on it. There is dignity in everyone, and we must respect the hard work and dedication that our labor puts in. Let us come together on Labour's Day to thank them for hard work and dedication. Let's start our day with the prayer, as it is a link which connects us with Almighty. Labour Day is also popularly known as May Day. It is celebrated widely in many countries, including Cuba, India, and China. The first May Day was celebrated before independence in 1923 in Chennai by the Labour Kisan Party of Hindustan.
Recite poems.
मेहनत से ना पीछे हटता, कभी धूप से ना ये डरता, कभी धूप में वो है तपता, कभी आग में वो है जलता, छल कपट से दूर है रहता, देश को आगे बढ़ाता। हाँ, वो है मजदूर कहलाता। धन्यवाद। People work, people play, that's we have Labor Day. Plumber, baker, painter, vets, fisherman with jams nets. No matter what it is you do, there's one thing that's always true. Every worker needs to rest. I hope your Labor Day is the best. Thank you. धूप कड़ी हो या आंधी बारिश, चाहे हो कोई दिवस, अपनी मेहनत के नशे में रहता है वो मर्द। चलो उसके सम्मान में मनाएं मजदूर दिवस। धन्यवाद। We are thankful to Didi and Bhaiyas as they were being tirelessly to keep us safe and happy in our classroom. Today we thank them for every act of hard work and kindness. Here is a beautiful song dedicated to them.
children? So we have UKG class 1 and 2 sitting here? Yes? Did you like the assembly? Yes. So let's give them a big round of applause. Samriti ma'am and her class 2B. So what are we celebrating today? Labor Day. Yes. So what are you going to do today when you go back home? Tell to mom? What? The didis who come home. But have you been kind to the didis when you are in school?
Yes.
So did all the children wish the didis here? All of you, did you wish Didi? Happy Labour's Day? Did you? Didi wish किया आपको? Yes. A wish नहीं किया, then what is the point of having an assembly? We have to wish them. They are right here. And when you go back, you can wish at home also. And you can be kind to them. You can get mama to make them a cup of tea and give some biscuits and sit with them and have those biscuits. Okay? Yes.
We have to Happy Labour's Day.
Yes, you have to say Happy Labour's Day. Very good. Okay. So that is important.
Happy Labour's Day to all didis and bhaiyas. We will also kind with our sisters and bhaiya.
You just want to come close to the mic. You want to say something? You want to say something? Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Sometimes we are very attracted to the mic. Okay. So what is important is that we should always be kind to everyone. It doesn't matter what they do. आप सुन रहे हो? It doesn't matter. वो क्या करते हैं उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. We should always be kind to it.
Thank you, didis and bhaiyas, for helping us. We will always respect you.
Wonderful. Yes. Respect is very, very important. So that is the message. That is the message. We don't need anything else. So thank you so much, Samriti ma'am, for having this assembly, because it's very, very important. Thank you, Manveen ma'am. Thank you, Sarika ma'am. And thank you all the teachers here and the students for being so good. Foundation years is the best. Is it? Is the best in school? Yes. Foundation years teachers are the best? Yes. So clap for yourself and the teachers. All the babies are so active. I love the little babies. Yes? You all are so smart. You speak so well. You should be smartly dressed also. Alright? Make sure that your hair is always well combed. Have your hair cut on time. And come dressed to school looking very smart. Very, very important. Alright? Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.